Most people think changing their life takes years. That if you want real progress, you need some massive event, a huge opportunity, or a complete lifestyle change. Well, in reality, it doesn't take years at all. What it actually takes is about 60 days of doing the right things consistently. Not motivation, not a sudden breakthrough, and not waiting for the perfect moment. Just structure and execution. And when I say change your life, I want to be very clear about what I mean. Because I'm not talking about getting a Lamborghini, owning a mansion, or moving somewhere just to live a flashy lifestyle. I'm talking about building a real skill set that you can actually use to make money. Getting validation from your work and seeing tangible results that prove to you that what you're doing is working. Because once you see real results, staying motivated stops being difficult. When effort leads to outcomes, consistency becomes natural. That's why the goal of these 60 days isn't perfection, it's validation. You want proof as early as possible that you're on the right track. There are many skills you could build, but the one I personally use and the one I've helped thousands of people learn and execute on is starting an online e-commerce business. And the reason is simple. E-commerce doesn't require you to dedicate your entire life to it in order to succeed. It doesn't require you to quit your job. It doesn't require you to risk your life savings. And it has a relatively low entry barrier, which means you can start with what you're comfortable handling. In other words, e-commerce fits into your existing life with just a few small adjustments. And that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through in this video. If e-commerce is something you want to pursue, I'm going to show you how to use the next 60 days to go from saying, I want to start an online brand, to saying, I actually have something real, running and making money. I'm not going to throw theories at you or teach you general business concepts. That's not how I teach. I prefer giving practical steps and clear roadmaps that you can actually execute on without confusion. My goal is that by the time this video ends, you know exactly what to do next. But before we talk about e-commerce, we need to talk about time. Because almost everyone watching this believes they don't have enough of it. The truth is, you do. It's just being wasted in ways you don't notice. Most people don't need to change their entire life to start a business, especially not in 2026, when e-commerce is more accessible than ever. They simply need to remove a few hours of low-value activities from their day and replace them with high-leverage work. I'm not telling you to quit your job, disappear from your social life, or stop sleeping, or even burn yourself. That approach doesn't work, and it's exactly why people quit. What I'm telling you to do is reclaim 2 hours a day. 1 hour less scrolling and 1 hour less random entertainment. That's it. 2 hours doesn't sound like much, but over 60 days, that's 120 hours of focused effort. And if those 120 hours are used correctly, they are more than enough to change your trajectory completely. So let me show you how those days actually look in practice. In the first few days, you're not building a business. You're training your perspective. You come home from work, you eat, you sit down, and instead of opening social media, you open your laptop with a specific purpose. For the first hour, you're simply observing. You're looking at ads that have been running for weeks, brands that keep showing up, and products that are clearly being pushed repeatedly. And remember, if someone is paying money to show their ads every day, it means it's making them money. So right now, you're not trying to analyze everything deeply yet. You're asking simple questions. What is the product? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? During the second hour, you start saving examples and grouping ideas. After a few days of doing this, you start noticing patterns, and that's when things begin to click. By the end of the first week, you already have more clarity than most people get in months. You're no longer guessing randomly or jumping between ideas. You're seeing what people are actually spending money on, what people are buying, and that's what matters. By now, you'll have a list of a few products that are well researched and have proven demand. This is where you choose one product to test. Not because it's perfect, but because it makes sense based on what you've seen. Not 10 products, just one. The one with the best numbers and back end by the most research and data. And by the way, if you want my full product hunting strategies that will allow you to find winning products every single day, make sure to like and subscribe, and you'll find it in the description down below. Around day 10, something important happens. You stop saying, I want to start an online business, and start saying, I'm testing this product. That mental shift alone changes how you think and how seriously you take the process. The next phase is validation, and this is where most people get uncomfortable. Validation means letting the market decide if your idea is good. Not your friends, not your family, and not your own excitement. Real validation means asking strangers to pay for your product. And no, I don't mean going down the street and asking people to buy from you. I mean running a simple campaign on social media to see how people react to your products. Instead of building a full website and trying to make it perfect or preparing endlessly, you create something simple. One product page on Shopify using a free theme, one clear message, and one main angle. You put it in front of people through a small ad campaign and you watch what happens. You're looking for signals, clicks, comments, DMs, add to carts, or even 1 or 2 sales. If nothing happens, you don't quit, you adjust. You change the angle, the messaging, or the offer, and you test again. This ability to adjust instead of giving up is what separates people who eventually succeed from people who stay stuck. And based on what you've seen in the first few days, you should have an idea on what type of ads to create, whether it's simple statics, and you can find hundreds of ready templates to create on Canva, for example, or simple UGC videos that you can create with your phone in minutes. And once you get validation, everything changes. You're no longer guessing, you're building around something that has already shown demand. And let's recap what you have achieved so far in just 2 hours per day for just a few days. You now know how to research products. You built a website. You ran ads. You created content. You read data. You analyzed. Can you see how just simple tasks every day compound? Now, after you validated, this is when you start turning it into a real brand. You order a batch of the products. You work on better branding, better logos, cleaner website, more content, more ads, and you keep testing and learning throughout the way. So by the time you reach the final phase of these 60 days, you're not looking for excitement anymore. You're focused on consistency. You're testing creatives, improving messaging, tracking numbers, and doubling down on what works. It's not glamorous, but it's effective. At the end of 60 days, you might not be rich and you might not quit your job, but you will be a completely different person. You'll have skills, confidence, and proof that you can execute and get results. And once you have that, building momentum becomes much easier. And remember, you achieved all of this without cutting out leisure completely. You didn't deprive yourself from sleep and you didn't cut out your friends. So the real question is this: 60 days from now, where will you be? Will you be in the same place consuming content and planning, or will you be building something real? Start executing. Aim to get the first taste of what having a business feels like, and you'll get addicted to working and building. You just need that first tiny bit of momentum and success, and that's it. This is it for today. If you want more videos like this focused on real execution and practical roadmaps, make sure you're subscribed, and you can head over right now to the video showing up on your screen to start researching products and learning more about what's currently gaining demand so you can start building the right way. I'll see you there.